Well, hello everyone. We got ourselves a fresh in the floor 2026 Street Glide 3 Limited. This would be the new Tri Glide. And boy, oh boy, is it cool. New wheels this year. Got the lights and lowers. Got the Omega headlight and the new style fairing. The new style lowers. Does have a 117 cubic inch motor with a 6-speed transmission. This is the VVT version of the 117. Got the full Streamliner collection all the way back to the rear passenger boards. Rockford Fosgate stereo comes standard on this. This will have ABS, security, cruise, traction control. Got that 12.3-inch screen running the Skyline operating system. Painted inner fairing because it's a limited. Big old tray for your phone and then a USB charger. This will have the ride modes as well. So you have rain mode, road mode, sport mode. And then also a customizable mode. Man, these new wheels are awesome. New fenders, new tour pack. These are all LED now. Coming around to the side here, this does have heated seats as well, both passenger and driver. Parking brake down there, and then it does come with the highway pegs as well. And then right down here, you also got a little suspension adjuster, so you don't have to take the seat off anymore to adjust the suspension. Speaking of suspension, this has all new rear suspension this year. The old suspension had 2.3 inches worth of travel. This now has 5 inches worth of travel. Definitely want to come and check this one out. Vandervest Harley-Davidson. We're at 1966 Velp Avenue in Green Bay, Wisconsin. If you have any questions about the trike or would like to come down and see it, give us a call at 920-498-8822.